Dear friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, let's talk to you about how you can find out if you have any locks in Messenger app. But before you start watching this video, please don't forget, friends, to put likes, make sure to write your comments and also subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started. And first, you will need to open the Messenger application itself, of course. And what are the options for what you have learned and realized that you may have been blocked? The first is when you find a conversation with a person or perhaps go to such a conversation. Then you will not see a profile picture and also the name of that person. The only thing that will be written is Facebook user. This is a 100% guarantee that you might have been blocked previously. Also, friends, when you send a message, let's say, and at the bottom underneath the message you only see the option delivered, but no option viewed or anything else. This is also an indication that you have been restricted and your messages are not being viewed. Next, you will not be able to call that person, for example, via cell phone or video call, because you are restricted and you will not be able to add that person to a group, for example. Also, friends, you will not be able to see when a person was active. For example, if a person was active yesterday or a few hours ago or a few minutes ago, that's fine. And if you see that the person has been inactive for a very long time, it can also indicate that you have some restrictions and blockages placed on you. And the very last thing is that when you will type in, for example, a person's name, you will not be able to find them through search. This is also an indication that you might have been blocked. These are the kind of methods you can try and check to find out if you have a Facebook Messenger blockage. I really hope the video has helped you, friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes, and write comments. See you soon, friends.